And what is up, you guys? So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a few things you can do the night before school or work to make your mornings a lot easier. I do all of these things and they help me out tremendously in the morning. I'm not a morning person at all, so anything that'll make my mornings easier, the better. I hope you guys enjoy this video and find it helpful. Even if you only implement one thing from the night to make your mornings a lot better, I promise you it'll make your mornings go so much smoother. And yeah, I guess we'll just get into the video. So the first one is to shower at night, and this might seem stupid for some people because it's very essential for them to shower in the morning in order for them to feel awake. But for me, showering in the morning is just a hassle. My hair does not dry very quickly. So if you are one of those people that just shower in the morning to make yourself feel awake, I definitely recommend showering at night, getting all the big things over with, and just washing your face in the morning to make you feel awake. So after I take my shower, I do my hair the night before as well, and this might sound stupid because you're like, Tara, you're gonna sleep on your hair and then it's gonna not look good in the morning. Well, what I do is I curl my hair very tight the night before and then I sleep on it, and then if you just brush it out in the morning, you have really cute beachy waves. Another go-to hairstyle of mine for the night before is to just put them in wet braids, and then you sleep on them, you wake up and they're either dry or almost dry, and then you have cute beachy waves as well. So just a tip for when you're doing your hair at night, I recommend not putting a lot of product in your hair like the night before, because once you sleep, your hair might get a little too greasy and you wake up and you're like, what is this? But if that happens, use dry shampoo. But I recommend not doing product at night, but sleeping on it and then putting the product in it in the morning. So the next thing I recommend doing the night before is plucking your eyebrows, shaping them, doing whatever you do to your eyebrows, whatever. But it'll make your makeup routine so much easier. It takes one step out of it. I'm also so afraid of myself in the morning because I'm so tired. I don't want to poke my eyeball out. So doing your eyebrows the night before just takes one step out of your makeup routine, and it makes things so much easier to do. And I really recommend doing that. It's made my life a lot easier. So the next thing that I definitely recommend doing the night before is exfoliating and moisturizing your lips. Like, who wants to wake up with crusty and like not soft lips? Why not just exfoliate and moisturize the night before, sleep in like a crap ton of Vaseline or lip balm, and then you wake up with super soft and exfoliated lips. It makes your morning better and it makes your makeup routine a lot better, so definitely do that. So the last beauty tip is to wear pimple cream to bed, and I definitely recommend doing this. It's so much easier than like fighting off the pimples in the morning. It's just, you get it over with at night, you wake up, you take off the pimple cream, and usually the pimples are either gone or almost gone, but they're better than they were if you wouldn't have put the pimple cream on. So put pimple cream on. So the next tip is pretty obvious, but pack your lunch and pack your book bag the night before school, because if you don't, you'll end up forgetting something, I promise you. I pack my book bag every single night. I put all my textbooks, chargers, water bottles, everything that I'll need the next day. I put it in my book bag and then I can just walk out the door the next morning. You're more likely to forget something if you do not pack your book bag the night before. Also, if you do forget something but you pack your book bag the night before, you'll probably remember it in the morning, and it just makes your morning a lot easier and you don't have to stress as much. So definitely recommend doing that. So the next tip is also pretty obvious, but to pick out and lay out your outfit the night before is essential for a productive morning, because you even will wake up better. You'll wake up like just feeling better because you know that you already have things done and you just don't feel as stressed out. Hey guys, sorry about the interruption. We'll get back to the normal video in just a second, but Jord Watches decided to team up with me on this video. I was so excited when they reached out to me because I had heard of them like long before, you know, they ever reached out to me, and I love their watches. They're such a good brand. Their watches are super high quality. They have so many cute designs that are very trendy. They have wood watches, they have marble watches, they have like leather banded, they have metal banded, mesh banded. There's so many options and so many colors and designs to choose from. I definitely recommend going and checking them out. I will leave a few links down below of some watches that I love and just their website. But what is super exciting about them teaming up with me is that they are hosting a giveaway for my subscribers, which is so nice of them. If you hit the link in the description box and you fill out a short little form with just your name, your email address, and just like what watches you like, then you will have a chance to win a $100 gift card to their store. And if you hit the link in the description box, you automatically get a 10% off coupon for any of their collections. So I'm about to show you the watch that they sent me. It is super nice, super good quality, so classy. It's very my style. All of their watches are like that. So it comes in this super cute box. I was very impressed with the packaging, and then I was even more impressed with the watch itself. So basically you just take off this little thing. So it just opens up like a little drawer, and there's your gorgeous watch. It is so stunning. I'm gonna try it on for you guys real quick. So this is the watch on. It fits me perfectly, and that is because they actually take your measurements in centimeters instead of like most watch companies where it's small, medium, or large, or it's like a measurement range. So it's so nice that they do that because most watch companies don't do that. And what I like about it is that it's so fashionable and classy. I feel like I can dress it up or dress it down, wear it with jeans or wear it with the dress, and it would just look great. So the next thing that I do is make sure that I have some water and my vitamins on my nightstand and ready to go in the morning, because if I wake up and I have to fumble around for water and my vitamins, I'm probably not going to take them. And if they're right there for me, I'm probably going to take them, and it just gets it out of the way right in the morning. So the next thing that I definitely recommend you doing is going to help you out more mentally than physically, but I definitely recommend the night before journaling and listing out every single thing that you need to get done the next day, because it's going to help you out so much, I promise you. If you wake up and you don't know what's expected of you, you're probably not going to get anything done. And if you list out everything that you're supposed to get done, you know what's expected of you, and you're probably going to be so much more productive. So as you're journaling, this could totally double as relaxation time for yourself to try to clear your mind and wind down for the night. So light a candle, put on your diffuser, turn off your lights, put on some twinkle lights, put on some calming music, and try to just calm down and relax so you can prepare for the next day. I think this is super essential, because even if you had a bad day today, you can totally try to end the day on a good note and just hope for a better tomorrow. Alright guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed that video and found it helpful. Basically, I was just in my bathroom the other night doing all these things, and I thought if I can make one person's morning a little less stressful and like more easy, I want to do that. So I hope you guys found it helpful, and I hope you guys implement at least one of these things in your night routine to make your morning a little bit better. I think that's about it. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you next Tuesday. Bye guys.